Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Leslie Light again, guys. I'm here to shed some light. All right, as you all know, I'm always here with some good stuff. All right, so I've been tied up for a while, so right now I'm back again, and I've been doing some digging to come up with some good indicators, some good strategies on boom and crash, guys. I'm always after boom and crash indices. All right, so at the moment, guys, I want to give you a good spike detector. All right, it was on sale, but right now it is absolutely free. All right, so I'm going to post it in my WhatsApp channels, on my Telegram channel. So if you want it, you go in those groups. The links will be in the description below. All right, so after this video, I'll straight put those files in those groups. Then you can follow through the links. You get these things done. All right, so after this, guys, I need some feedbacks. If the indicator is actually working for you, I need some feedbacks. All right, you can actually let me know if it is working for you or if it is not working for you at all. All right, and then we can start from there. Right, so let's begin. So I have quite a few of indicators. As you can see on my indicator panel, they are all Leslie. Yes, I like to put my name on anything. All right, what is mine? My name is carries it. Okay, so which one do I want to give you now? I want to give you Leslie Boom and Crash. So this one, as you can see, when you open it like right now, it just tell you like created by Leslie. This is my Telegram channel. These are some of the stuff that I can actually advise people to do. So on the inputs, we got it to when you put it on your PC, if you wanted to send notification to your MT5 mobile MT5, you can actually link it to it. It can give you that option. On the colors, what you need to do is you come right here. When you come right here, you have two colors, right? Two colors for buy, two colors for sell. Okay, that is for just an extra confirmation. When you see they're appearing double, it is a good signal. All right, so let's just click on OK. Voila, you have it on your chart. When you have it on your chart like this, what it means for you, it means that this indicator, you can actually use it on M5. It is not for M1, but for M1 it is better that you can actually see what's going on at the moment. All right, you can actually see what's going on. You get some spike signals, a lot of them, but I use it on M5. Right, when I use it on M5, as you can see, guys, what you need to do to avoid so many things on your chart, you can actually go and remove the blue colors, or you can click here and click on none. You just disable the blue colors like this one. All right, and then click on OK. So when you apply like this, you only have the red colors. So the red colors, as you can see, guys, on M5, you're only waiting for this indicator to show up. Once this indicator shows up on M5, I want you to storm in the trade. I want you to do your sell position. All right, here you got some indication and say buy here, sell. You got the spike, you got the spike. Here you sell, you hold, you got the spikes. Here you sell, there is a reaction. There is a small reaction there, price continues. Here you got a spike, here you got a spike, here you got a spike. You can actually miss some signals. Let us find where it misses the signal. Not miss. Here, at this point, all right, it can actually miss some signals. So you need to have your risk management in place. All right, your risk management in place, because you cannot just keep on holding when you're running into big losses. Okay, so it only works on boom 500 and crash 500. So once it works on boom and crash 500 and crash 500, what you need to do is this. The indicator actually, since crash 500 always works with spiking going down, so what you need is you come here now you're looking at the market. The market is going up. It is not spiking down. So that's why you're getting this small spike, small spike, small spike. But as the market want to retrace and change direction and start having some good large spikes, all right? So you need to find a trend filter. Although you can get some good spike again on the uptrend, but it is not that, not good, all right? You need these good spikes on the downtrend, all right? So that's what you're looking for. Good spikes on downtrend, good spikes on downtrend, okay? So this indicator, you're actually getting it for what? For free today. Yes, for free. All right, let's go on Boom 500. You can open Boom 500 like what I did, and then we find the indicator again. It is this one. You double click it, then you come here, you double click on the colors, you disable all the red colors, all right? Inputs, you get the same inputs here, then you can click on OK. So on Boom 500, it can actually show like this on M1, but on M5 it is a different story. On M5 it is a different story. On M5 it is the killer. Look at this. Look at all the spikes. These are all yours. These are all yours. I'm talking about good spikes here. All right, so let's go here. See, good spikes. We want to see when the market was on when the market is on a downtrend, you can get only small spikes. You enter, you get a small reaction, you get out of the market. All right, you don't keep on holding. But on an uptrend, as you can see, on an uptrend you always get some good stuff. These are some good stuffs. All right, on uptrend you always get some good stuff. These are good stuff. But on downtrend, small spike and small reaction, which is very common in boom and crash. You can trade the boom market only when it is going up, but when it is going down, trade it on your own risk management, all right? But every time when you see the market is trying to form some chart pattern or is going up, you are going to milk the market, all right? This is where the market is very vulnerable. Market is vulnerable here because it's trying to create some, it is facing some rejections here, and market is creating a chart pattern. You can get a lot of spikes in these situations, all right? Now look at it. Look at all this. Look at all these spikes. These are all your spikes. These are all your spikes. These are all your spikes. So let's take, for instance, right here. So this is a prototype good thing that I'm giving you guys for free, all right? I'm no longer selling it. So here you get an uptrend. Let's copy from here. Here you got an uptrend. It's looking like this. So all these spikes, they are yours. They are yours, all right? These spikes are yours, all right? So what do I mean by they are yours? Look at how big they are. These are coming to you, all right? What you need to do, just open the position, use your risk management, and catch all the spikes. But on a downtrend, let's find where we get the downtrend. No downtrend anyway. All right, here the market is still in this structure. All right? Let's do this. You come here, you put it like that. Market is still on this structure, right? It's a bit breaking out. Like what you can need to do, you can come and place some. Don't worry, this is my demo account. You can come and put some position like this one, all right? So when you put some position on this one you can risk going in. Why? Because you never know if market is breaking out or market is still retracing back, all right? So what you need to do when you do like something like this, you go on here. Okay, let's find something. Let's look for an arrow. All right. Arrow here. So no, this is the wrong arrow. The arrow is pointing down anyway. It doesn't matter. All right. So at this point, right, this is where the point is. All right. So market might break down, all right, but you don't know that. This is where we say risk management, because you're risking, because you don't know what's happening, isn't it? So when you come here, you put your stop loss down, whatever you want to put your stop loss down, and you hold your trade, all right? You can get the biggest spike or you can get the loss, all right? We know trading, guys, especially when this area has been tested multiple times like this one, all right? So, however, let me show you something something nice. All right, no, I'm not going to show you something nice in this video. So in this video, this is what I wanted to tell you guys, that you're going to have it. All right, so this one does not actually work on the 1000 pairs. Let's open 1000 pair. Okay, and then let's put this one here. Go on colors. Always know that if it market's going down, trend on a crash, you need to disable the blue arrows, or else they'll confuse you. You don't want a rainbow. You don't want a rainbow chart. All right, now you look at this. So let's go on M5. When you go on M5, the crash 1000 and the boom 1000, they don't crash that often. All right, so here you can have some lucky spikes, but in most cases, as you can see, there are some big gaps in this. Because these 1000s, they do not spike that often. All right, you can actually use it, because I'm seeing some good results right now. But it's how you see it. All right, it's how you see it. That's why you are having this one for free. You can try it, you can test it. If it is working for you, then you can continue with using it. All right, so this, I don't expect you to get a free spike detector, and when you get some problems with it and you come and trying to put pressure on me, I give something for free. All right, if it is not working for you, just don't use it. All right, but if you think that I need to do some reprogramming on this thing, you need to contact me through my Telegram channel. All right, and then you let me know what the query is. All right, so like this is the situation right now with Crash 1000. You can actually use it on Crash 1000. I'm actually seeing some good results here. Oh, this is some good results. Oh, all right. So let's try boom 1000. So same old. So if you don't know how to install it, you can just go on the indicator, you double click it, it shows like this one. As you come on the front view, my name is on it, created by Leslie. All right, and you got my Telegram channel on it. It tells you like follow the 3 to 4 stop loss rule. This a risk management. I just had to include it in here, right guys, because you don't need to lose so much money in this thing. All right, so you go on inputs, you go on colors. Let's disable all the red colors, because right now we are looking forward for the market to go up. So you disable all the red colors, only left with the blue colors. Now you click on OK. It is showing like this one on M1, but we don't want to use it on M1 because it does not work actually on M1. That will be a gambling thing. So let's go on M5. You go on M5, you open it like this, you zoom in like that. So as you can see on boom 1000, it does not actually work. All right, it is some waste of time on boom 1000. And boom 1000, we know with the spread, actually if you keep on have these multiple candles, which means you are running in deep losses. All right, so we don't want that. So now on boom 1000, we don't want that, but on crash 1000, you can actually have a second thought of it, give it a benefit of doubt. If you think that it can work for you, go for it. Go for it, trader. All right, go for it, trader. That's all I can see. That's all I can say. Go for it. All right, but on Crash 500, you got some good stuff. I'm with you on Crash 500. On Boom 500, I'm with you. As you can see, we open the trade. It starts to see some reaction here. You never know. Market might go up a bit, or it might continue to go down, because we know that market is on a breakout right now. On the looks of it, it's on a breakout, but market might reject this zone and keep on pushing upwards. All right, so this way you need to involve as well your price action. All right, another extra strategies that you need to use to simplify your entries. All right, to simplify your entries. So this is what's going on, guys. I'm going to send this one for free in all my channels. So if you're interested in it, you can download it, you can play around with it. I'm sure you can come in good terms with it, and you can enjoy it. But however, after this video, I'm going to record another video of my latest spike detector. All right, I'm talking about the great of greats. All right, the only spike detector to exist in the world. All right, in the whole world, guys. I'm talking about the real thing in real time. All right, we are in 2025. all right? But this spark detector I'm going to show you, it will rule the market for years, decades to come. All right, I'm not talking about something that can expire tomorrow. I'm talking about something great. All right, something great. So I'm not like those guys. All right, they come and show you. You see all these arrows. All right, they record the screen. All right, they record the screen, they buy, and then they use these arrows like here. They start doing this arrow like this. All they do is just silencing this cursor, right, and start showing you like buy. The market is buying, right? The market is buying. No, guys. I'm talking about the real stuff, the good stuff. All right. So I'll show you how I create these indicators, and you can follow the link to register with my link so that I can get a commission. So if you make an upgrade on the channel, I get something out of it. All right, that's how we do business, isn't it? So at the moment, as I was waiting for this one to pull up, but it seems like it was just a reaction. All right. Anyways, guys, this is it. Right, this is it. So I'm going to send this one in my Telegram channel. So that you can have this one for free. So watch out for my next video, the latest spark detector. I want you to see the wonders. I know you almost lost hope in this boom and crash market, but I'm here to give you hope, to give you light. That's why I call myself Leslie Light, because I always come out with the good stuff. I give you some light, guys. All right, I give you some light. The only thing that I'm not happy with, guys, is you're watching my video and you are not yet subscribed to my channel. I want so many subscription on this channel. Press that button, support me. I support you. I just gave you something good for free. Come on, man. Just hit the like button, hit the subscription button. All right, let's keep this channel growing. We need to help a lot of traders at the moment. So that's me signing out. All right, that's me signing out, guys. I'll see you on my next video very soon.